Good morning, everyone. And today we will see the case on nationality, Nottingham case, Liechtenstein versus Guatemala. So, two aspects we will see in this. The first one is the facts of the case, and the second is the principle of effective nationality. So, here first we will see the facts of the case. Born in 1881 in Germany, Frederick Nottingham went to Guatemala in 1905. He has German nationality by birth and remained a German national until 1939. Since 1905, he resided in Guatemala, where he carried on business of banking, commerce and plantation. But he continued his business relations with Germany and went to Germany several times. After 1931, he visited his brother who resided in Liechtenstein. In 1938, he left Guatemala. After reaching Liechtenstein, he through his attorney, submitted an application for naturalization as citizen of Liechtenstein, and the same was granted on 13 October 1939. Thereafter, he conducted himself exclusively as national of Liechtenstein, particularly with regard to Guatemala. He returned to Guatemala at the beginning of 1940 using his Liechtenstein passport, and in Guatemala, his change of nationality was enrolled on the register of aliens. As a result of war measures, his property was seized in 1943. He was arrested by Guatemalan authorities and handed over to the armed forces of the US in Guatemala. Later on, he was deported to the US and interned there for more than 2 years. In 1944, as many as 57 legal proceedings were started against him in Guatemala, obviously to confiscate all his properties there. After his release from the internment in the US, he wanted to go to Guatemala to oppose cases filed against him, but he was refused readmission in Guatemala. In 1946, he went to Liechtenstein and lived thereafter. In 1949, his property in Guatemala was confiscated under the law of Guatemala. After having been domiciled in Liechtenstein for 5 years, Liechtenstein, espousing his case, filed the case at the International Court of Justice on 11th December 1951. But the judgment dated 18th November 1953. The court rejected the preliminary objection of Guatemala against the jurisdiction of the court. In the second phase, the court considered only admissibility of the claims, reparation, summoning into 10 million Swiss francs, and held by majority of 11 to 3 that Liechtenstein was not entitled to extend its protection vis-a-vis Guatemala. The International Court of Justice rejected the claim made by Liechtenstein, exposing the case of Nottingham to be inadmissible. The World Court had to decide whether the fact of grant of nationality by naturalization to Nottingham by Liechtenstein would directly entitle an obligation on the part of Guatemala to recognize Liechtenstein's right to exercise its protection over Nottingham. Propounding the principle of effective nationality, the World Court observed it must ascertain whether the factual connection between Nottingham and Liechtenstein in the period preceding, contemporaneous with or following his naturalization appears to be sufficiently close, propounded in relation to any connection which may have existed between him and any other state. It is possible to regard the nationality conferred upon him as real and effective. The fact the juridical expression of the social fact or the connection which existed previously, which came into existence thereafter. The court noted that Guatemala was the main center of Nottebohm's business and remained there for more than 34 years. Even after his removal in 1943, as a result of war measures, Guatemala remained the main seat of his business. As compared to this, in connection with Liechtenstein was extremely tenuous. At the time of his application of naturalization, he had neither any settled abode or had resided in that country for a long time, nor did he intend to transfer his business activities to Liechtenstein. Applying the above principle, the court held that Nottebohm did not enjoy the nationality of Liechtenstein. The court said that it was the bond of nationality between a state and an individual which alone conferred upon the state to put forward the claim on his behalf on international platform. The grant of nationality was entitled to recognized by other states represented a genuine connection between the individual and the state granting its nationality. Nottebohm's nationality was not based on any genuine prior link with Liechtenstein. An object of his naturalization was to enable him to acquire the status of neutral during the time of war. On the basis of these reasons, the court held that Liechtenstein was not entitled to expose his case and put forward an international claim on his behalf against Guatemala. So this was Nottebohm's case in nationality. Thank you.